Chineke mae, aga m ahụtụ ya mbụ. Udiri Chineke mae, aga m ahụtụ ya mbụ. Udiri Chineke mae, aga m ahụtụ ya mbụ. Udiri Chineke mae, aga m ahụtụ ya mbụ. Ihe dị mma ka ọ na-enye o, dị mma ka ọ na-enye o, nwa dị mma ka ọ na-enye o, aga m ahụtụ ya mbụ. Obube m ụzọ kpere m azụ o, onye mụta na-emechi o, ọ dụrụ m na-agaghị, aga m ahụtụ ya mbụ. Ọ na-emere m karịa nne m, ọ na-eme karịa nna m wee. Ihe dị mma ka ọ na-enye o, aga m ahụtụ ya mbụ. Udiri Chineke mae, aga m ahụtụ ya mbụ. Udiri Chineke mae, aga m ahụtụ ya mbụ.
Ị nọ n'ọnọdụ dị ana, ị so na ndị mụ na-akpọsara ma na-esi ele n'ele, ndị a na-akpagbu, ndị a na-anara oke ha, ndị a na-eme akaje dị iche iche. Asị nwanne ebezina na chi nke a na-ekwu maka ya bụ chi nke nna nna anyị ha, chi nke mgbe ochie, ọnya ka na-ekwu maka ya.
Good day, viewers all over the world, lovers of Eze-Ana TV. I welcome you all in today's section of Philosophy and Life. We have with us an ordinary evangelist. Sir, you are highly welcome.
Well done.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Eze-Ana Ugochi Tupel Norifite. Mabekwa maka Jugo. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja n'Ugochi Tupel Ọdịnala Temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazị ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụkwazị m onye isi nchụaja na Ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission. Bụrụkwa onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. Thank you.
You're highly welcome once again. Before we proceed with today's questions, is there anything else you wish to say to our viewers?
Yeah, viewers all over the world, as you are joining us, tell people about our administrations. I'm only one adult in Ankuzia, a chat yamo, Mobu, one adult in Ankuzia, Mobu, the shock about the family. Mobu, the Israel, and monthly rituals. Chat me on WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. 9 na screen gị ga number mpụrụkịta ihe eji wee nweta anyị. Then ị na-esonyela anyị ka Chukwu Okike pụrụ ime ihe niile gozie gị ma gozibiga gị oke. Ị na-esonyela anyị na-atụsi ya na-agwa ndị mmadụ about our administration. Ọ ga-abalị gị. Daalụ.
Okay, these questions are based on yesterday's lecture under Philosophy and Life.
Okay.
The first question is, are you saying that someone should not have faith or challenge his God?
Yes, someone can actually believe strongly in his whatever he believes that is totally convinced, but not in a manner of one-sided juafo. Or say, there is some certain things you should not do. Yes, you should not do, okay, because like let me give an example. What actually happened in 1988 in Benin, Edo State? There is a popular pastor. He made claims that what actually happened, that storytelling in Bible, allegorical story in the Bible, that a prophet slept with a dog in the lion's den and nothing happens. For that reason, he challenged, he made it, publicized it. He saw everywhere in the social media then. And everybody gathered. He went into the lion's den in Benin, and the lion feasted on him. Are you following? So this one is murder. This is murder. There are some certain things you understand the creation. It does not mean that the Achi and their forces don't know that we exist. But you don't put them in test. Okay, let me give you an example. You remember the story of Jesus in the Bible, where we were told Satan asked him to jump down from the mountain, quoted a prescription for him. He said, and I quote, Do not put your God in test. I want to cheat on. There is some certain things that will happen to you. Maybe you are running for your dear life. Maybe someone want to take your life, and they already trying their best to protect your life, your precious life. You are running. Believe in me, you can jump from 3-story building and nothing will happen to you. But it's the work of God, yes. But your forces will do it because you did not put them to test. But when intentionally know that this thing can kill you, and out of your blind faith, out of your ignorance of how things work, he decided to do it. Then, if you die in that manner, you kill yourself. Ndị Igbo na-atụ ilu, what Igbo adage says, and I quote, onye chi na-azọ na-azọ onwe ya. Yes, onye chi na-azọ na-azọ onwe ya. You must always do what they needful. Then allow the forces to do the rest. But not to tell them, okay, there's a way, even me, human being, there's a way you will put it with disrespect. So it's not right. Like what I told the story I told you, what happened in South Africa. How can you see a gunman, and you notice it on time? My dear, if to say you did not notice it on time and by sudden you jam them, your forces can protect you. But when open confrontation, you see somebody that carrying gun, you are saying, I'm a choosing. Okay? You kill yourself. So what I'm saying is that if you say you want to challenge your God, not when your life is on the line. There are some certain things you bargain with more, but not through you open challenge. Because if you die, you die for nothing. More lose nothing. And it does not stop more of winning more. So even if you say that you challenge God, even if you decided not to save you, does not mean that he's not God. He still remains God. Remember the story of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. They said, Asigori na chinka ikweyelo, as up tarai, tantam. That is how it should be. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. The next question is, based on yesterday's lecture, are you saying that it's wrong for a man to spend on his children?
Yeah, thank you. What I'm trying to tell you is that yes, you cannot love someone else more than yourself. Who does that? Tell me who does that? Any human being that loves someone. What even Bible told you? Love yourself, love someone as you love yourself. It should be 50-50. Are you following? There is some certain things that is mumu love. Mumu love, who is when you love maybe your girlfriend, a woman you want to marry more than yourself. Your business is crumbling. You don't even have good capital. You have not built house for your family. You didn't even train yourself in the university, and you are training someone else. Your mumu no get party. You love someone more than yourself. So what I'm telling you is that even if you want to set up your loved one, it can be a child, it can be whoever. How can I if you can balance it? Have option B, to have one source of focus, that putting your egg in one, all your egg in one basket is not a smart move. And here we are talking about common sense. So what you have to do, in as much as you want to help whoever, even if it's your child, first of all, consider the person deserve it. The person, is it an investment that if you trust in this person, that the outcome will be for benefit? Yes, nobody going to, or life, even life we are living is all about business. So first of all, you must not invest blindly. Even if in your business, if you are investing blindly, you don't have common sense. You must think before you live. So before you invest, check this particular person, is he brilliant enough? I'm not going so academically brilliant, no. Now, is it doesn't worth doing? That is one, what we consider. And even when you are investing, don't forget that you need backup. So what I'm saying is that even if you are investing on someone, maybe loved ones, child, whatever, make sure that you have backup. Example is very wrong for you to say, okay, let me invest on my child, and you refuse to build at least shop line in front of your house, where at your retirement age you will be collecting rent to feed yourself. It's a smart move. Smart move in the sense that even if you are giving to somebody, see no that you supposed to be alive. But when you carry your destiny, invest all in somebody, you are not smart, because that what it means that you already invested your destiny, and you are begging the person, do you remember my medicine have finished? My medicine have finished. But that time you are even investing, you can divide it. Okay, this one go to this one. Let me use this one to build shop line, so that at retirement I can get something that will sustain me. That is why even though you have, if you are doing civil servant, you have what they call pension and gratuity. Pension is what you will be receiving in order to sustain your old age. So when you're a businessman, you invested all of you to all their children, then you didn't think about yourself. It's wrong. Quote me, read my lips. It's wrong investing 100% on another person, no matter who the person is to you. Then why you don't have any program, future plan for yourself? So invest 50, keep 50 for yourself. That is smart move, and that is common sense. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So what you're saying is, when you are investing in someone, always have plan B in case plan A doesn't work out.
Yes.
Plan B will work out as backup. Thank you so much. The next question is, what do you have to say about some ladies with bad character and still get married?
That some certain things, life. Some people will say life no balance, but that is why everybody between say, okay, so now ngwere mamiri, maka na ọkụ ngwere na ọma aka oke, Igbo adage, meaning that you don't like to say, okay, some people will tell you that there were some people that maybe less women, those girls, and they still have luck to jam a decent man that will marry her in future. But some people will be decent enough, but they will not get better man to marry. So many things are involved. Akaraka wa. Some people already have destiny. This akaraka is as a write-up what transpired in their previous earth life, that is what forward up, yes. So the person might have, in her previous earth life, she worked so hard that and her and determined that she will have a good husband in this present earth life. So whatever life she is living now cannot cancel what nature proposed for her. So that one is, people call it grace. So you can call it grace. Some people are getting such a thing because of their previous earth life decision. Now, but you go on, na previous earth life, yeah, no na suffer. That is na ihe omelu warranted na this particular time. No nwere ike Eze-Ana akpụ ya. So many things nwere ike ime ya. No nwere ike iwe ihe si n'iyo. O nwere ike iwe ihe si n'akara chi. Ya? So, but Eze-Ana ka ime na onye amel. Because how can you justify you will see a pretty lady, a young, beautiful damsel? Nothing, nobody is even looking at her side. No, everybody will just want to play with her and leave her. But you see, even the ugly ones, even people are dashing her. A lot of things is here. It's not all about beauty. So sometimes what plays in our life has to do with our carryover from previous earth life. So sometimes you see somebody, that's why you see some people, they work hard, but little gain are showing. But some people, they work hard too, but they are earning more than what they work. People call it grace. So what I can tell you for a fact is that some people can be earning from a carryover of their previous existence. So that is why you don't man mmiri because onye ọdọ na-ama mmiri maka na onwe ike kọcha ahụ gị wu ngwere onwe ike kọcha ngwere mana ọ ya akụghị nwa nwoke. So don't depend so much and emulate somebody for a wrong reason.
Okay, sir. Do you believe in grace?
Yes, there is grace. That grace is not Chukwu is not for the Christmas. Chukwu is not for the Christmas. This, what they call grace, is as a result of what we have done, like I said before. And you did not, maybe in their previous earth life, he lived a good life worthy of emulation. But you did not live long enough to reap the fruit of that your work. Yes. So in your next life, life is a continuous one. In your next life, because of what you worked in the previous earth life, can even necessitate where you'll be born and the opportunity that we present for you. So because of that great destiny that came to this world with you, might make things to be working so easily for you. That's why even a destiny, even if a great child, if you have the gift, even if you're a palmist or even you have some certain gift, you see a small child, maybe a toddler, somebody will look at this child and say, this child will be great. I remember when I was very small, my mom, I went to somewhere with my mom because you see, a kind of a man of God. So I remember what he told my mother, that this your child will be great, that he will be a rich man. And he gave some messages, just other messages there. And exactly what the man said that time began to manifest in my life. So what I can tell you that there are some people that from their destiny, from creation, they're already destined to be great. So those people that are already destined to be great, that is what people normally call grace. People with special grace. Look at, we will say Samson, story of Samson. Remember the story of Samson, how the mother was prophesied that he will give a birth to a man, and that man will be the savior of his people, that he will be the strongest man, and so on and so forth. So even when the child is still unborn, so what I can tell you, that there are some people that have great destiny from creation. So for the thing to begin to manifest, depends on how he handle it. Remember, whether your star will shine till the end, it depends on how you live your life. Remember, Samson was prophesied to be great, and he blessed his people. He started well, but did not complete it because he fell apart along the way. So what I'm telling you is that even if you have prophecy that will be great, you still need to remain the part of grace, so that the grace will continually follow you. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Due to our time, we will draw the curtain for today's lecture here. Viewers all over the world, we have come to an end on today's edition of Philosophy and Life. If you have any question based on today's teaching, drop it on the comment section or DM Eze-Ana with the WhatsApp number showing on your screen. For more inquiries, deep consultation, you can as well DM him with that same number. Sir, it's nice having you here today.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator.
Thanks for your time. Before we go, any advice for our viewers?
Yes, viewers all over the world, keep watching our programs. Keep telling people about our administration. See you tomorrow. May the blessings of Chukwuoke be with you and abide with you. May you be progressing. May you be favored. May you be blessed. Naha Chukwuoke ke pray me here in the Kenya.